And some Metro students will not return to classrooms as planned next week because of a rise in COVID-19 cases across Davidson County. We even broke several records today when it comes to the virus. The decision to continue remote learning comes after school board members made the recommendation to district leaders. News Channel 5's Emily Luxon is at our 5 Alert Center. And Emily, this was not an easy decision.
No, it wasn't. School board members say they know people have strong feelings about both in-person and virtual learning. But in the end, they decided this delay was necessary to help keep teachers, students, and staff safe. Some Metro school buildings will stay quiet for a little longer after board members recommended pausing the district's reopening plan.
We are not comfortable moving forward when middle and high schools are much larger than elementary schools. They have much larger classes, much more narrow hallways, and just much more historic exposure to the COVID disease.
During an emotional discussion at an emergency work session, board members weighed what's best for the district as COVID-19 cases climb in Metro.
My big concern is that we're making sure that we're doing what's best for students, and part of that is making sure that their teachers are going to be able to be with them and do their job effectively.
I just think we have to use science, we have to use evidence, we have to be thoughtful, we have to be clear.
Now plans for 5th and 6th graders to return to classrooms this Tuesday and 7th and 8th graders to follow on November 4th are on hold. Pre-K to 4th grade students and those with exceptional needs who chose in-person learning will continue to stay in the classroom. While the majority of board members supported the delay, Fran Bush argued students who aren't in classrooms are suffering academically.
Virtual learning and the virtual space is just a Band-Aid for academics. That's it. It's not doing what it needs to do.
In order for students to safely return to classrooms, school leaders say they need Nashville residents to help slow the spread of COVID-19 by wearing masks and social distancing.
As a school district, we have to prioritize health and safety. And so it is a community effort that we do that. And we really feel like we need the community to help us in that part.
A district spokesperson says they will continue to monitor COVID-19 cases in Davidson County, and they will release a new schedule for phasing students back into the classroom once they start to see an improvement in those numbers. Reporting at the 5 Alert Center, Emily Luxon, News Channel 5.
Thank you, Emily. And a Wilson County school is transitioning back to remote learning starting Monday. Students at Mount Juliet Elementary School will learn remotely through November 6th because of a rise in COVID cases.